Just came out. I just came out of the camper to bring the slide room in from having it out the other day when I made the video of the noise that it was making whenever I was taking the slide or extending it. Now I'm bringing it back in, and it just started making like a grinding noise up underneath now, like where the gears are at or something. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, so anyway, something's definitely going on with the slide. I have no idea what. It's all the way in. There was nothing in the way of it. So I don't know. I don't get it.